Hello, friends, come play with me. We will learn so happily.
Let's start the adventure.
A kite! Let's go! We're coming, Kite!
Look, my friends, up in the sky. Something colorful just flew by.
K is for kite flying high.
Shining bright for the evening, here's the happy letter K.
Say K. Let's say K together. K. Can you find the letter K? Look, it's right there.
Run with K! K, K, K! K says K. Sing with me. K, 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 the letter K.
Today we learned the letter K. What was that sound by the lake? L is for lion by the lake. Look up high, what do we see? A shining letter L for me. Say, ooh. Let's say L together. Can you find the letter L? Leap with L! L says, Lil, sing with me! L says, Lil, sing with me! Today we learned letter L! Look up high into the night! M is for moon shining bright. See the magic letter M.
Say M.
Let's say M together. Can you find the letter M? Move with M.
M, M, M.
M says, sing with me. Today we learned letter M. K says K, L says Lul, M says We learned letters and had fun. Goodbye, friends. It's time to go.
See you in the next show.
Next time we learn letter Ben. Fish like Ben.